Hey, welcome everybody to a very special behind the scenes look at a start to finish creation of a hero hair custom wig. In this case, the clown who floats. So we're doing a little behind the scenes video here of the clown who floats. This is for Kiosk, was it Kiosk Creations? We have another one now. We just got a new commission. And here's all the rest of the custom dyed hair just done by Aaron and Caitlin. Nice job, guys. All the shades of the screen accurate, color matched. What do we even call this? I don't want to call it orange. It's really not orange. It's like a burnt umber. Orange. It's like a burnt umber. Burnt umber, yeah. Yeah. Which. Two oranges, a brown, and a yellow in there. Yeah, I mean, these are varying shades of the core color that goes into the ventilation of the wig. Hey guys. All right. So here we have all the colors going into the Clown Who Floats Chapter 1. Nice job. Really nice job. And I mean, it goes all the way from the really heavy kind of ochre, greener tones into some of this is actually the primary Chapter 2, the oranger tones for highlights, got a few lowlights.
Give me a tour.
Give me a tour. Yeah, I mean, this is every color we're gonna use in this wig. How many would you say?
165,000.
165,000.
Maybe
Great.
more.
Maybe more.
Because I only did...
I tell you what, I don't think 3 colors are going to cut it for a wig like this. Oh, I think you need a lot more than that.
Yeah. So,
yeah.
Lots of different temperatures, lots of different, dip times.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
But just to give it, like here we've got like a little bit of browner, you know.
Exactly, exactly.
It's all
in the blend.
Gonna be, let's give it a nice little uptick. Now you can start to see like all the differences. Right.
Cool. He looks great. Nice job. Madison, what are you working on today? Without saying the screen accurate name.
It's the Clown Who Floats is the title.
I'm ventilating the Clown Who Floats.
There you go. For Kiosk, right? Kiosk Creations?
Something like that.
We'll tag
I
him.
read it dyslexic.
So do I. I always mix up his name. So sorry, dude.
So
Tyler.
Maddie's just finishing this stuff with the yak hair, and then we're gonna get into the custom colored human hair and Angora for the tendrils. For the tendrils that I'll dip back on either side. And we originally he wanted from the first movie, right? Yeah. And it is subtly different. The style is subtly different. It's a little more coiffed in the second one.
Yeah, it is. Really cool. Cool work. But I think, you know, we're going to take a look at him because the style does change a bit depending on the time of shooting and all that. I think not necessarily a hybridization, but I think, you know, so much stayed the same. Yeah. We'll give him his hero due. But from what I've seen on the sequel wig, the tendrils across the forehead are less pronounced. Yeah, which I like that. Which I like that detail. Yeah. It just adds, especially on the close-ups.
But the styling, and it's much more of a coif. It's like very flippy in the back. He's got a little
pompadour action.
Yeah. So, not as like just back with a little flip.
No. So cool. It's going to be really nice to see this wig going out of the studio. It's been a pleasure, but it's also been really large. Huge. We're going to get ready to do another one. I know. We have another one. Right away. Go us. Oh, this is a great shot. What a great shot. I love it. Okay, cool. This is fun. All right, so we're attacking this beast. Finally going to bring him home. Part 2, right? Holy smokes. Right now he's very Bozo the Clown. Yeah.
Which
Which is, well, it's apropos, right? Yeah, so we're gonna take a bunch of length off him.
Yeah, we haven't even cut it yet.
No, he hasn't been cut yet. And we're gonna do some compositing of the client in Photoshop, right? So we've got his profile pics from his reference folders wearing his prosthetic, right?
And the wig.
And the wig, because we sent this wig for a fitting with Abby did that. Yep. He looks great. He looks great right now. I mean, he's very big. I mean, it is. Yeah. It is a wig that changes between the first film and the second film in a couple of subtle ways. So, other than that, it's essentially the same thing. This is some kind of hard science right here. I'll tell you, what other clown in fandom gets a fancy mechanized roller set drive? This is incredible. This is incredible. I love this. This is so cool. Oh, float. So here we go. The curler set.
Yeah.
Magnetized. Clown who floats.
Floatsy pants.
Bringing him out of his NASA-grade space age.
He went to the moon.
He went to the moon.
The moon?
Where do you summer?
Where do you summer? See, these are made for people with smaller heads.
Yes. Yes.
It's nice and tight.
Well, that's a really nice roller set, Erin.
Well, thank you.
Very clean.
Thank you so much. Appreciate that.
Very, very clean.
See?
Oh, look, it's doing it. Look at that. Gravity defy.
That's what we wanted.
Definitely.
Yep. Excitement.
Super excitement.
I like the color, too.
The color's reading perfectly
it's
on
nice
camera.
And set now.
Yeah.
From that heat party.
Yeah, it baked it in really nice. It's one of the things I really love about your roller sets. The curls are always so clean and precise when you put them in.
Well, thank you.
You're welcome.
These are sitting on a base of back combing as well.
Yeah, so that's why we've got that anti-grav. It's that's exactly what it's supposed to do. I mean, this is pre-cut.
Yeah,
we still have to cut them down.
Still quite, yeah, they're still quite long.
This is really neat.
This is going to guide us in our cut.
It is. That reads to me just right.
Yeah.
In terms of the length, right?
Yep.
Bring all that into it. I think we're on the right track.
I'm going to move around the whole thing.
Yep, go ahead and move around the whole thing. Just take that same volume off. Don't even bother with the top right now. We'll do the top last, okay?
Cool.
Okay. Yeah, give him a twist toward me so I can see. He's even more so. Can I get more of a front profile? He's matching up. I mean, right now, even more. I need a dead profile. Again, we're going for this. Here we go. That looks right to me. He's reading correctly. Once we start pulling, remember, this is two styling, right? So one was down here a little bit more, but it plays. But I think this feels really good. We can always, we haven't even styled this into set yet.
Right.
So I'm feeling really good about that length.
Okay.
Let's just keep that track going.
Okay.
Good job. He's really come along, huh?
God, we're so close.
We're so close. Well, I mean, that's the chair silhouette.
Yeah.
From set. You got the right lift back there. I'm gonna take a look at it. We'll see. We'll see what the volumes are doing all the way around. He's really there. Yeah, he's looking great. He's really coming along. Really. And then I'll probably spend 3 hours on him to style him up. Get all these. Oh, the fire is great. Fire hair is great. Yeah, nailed it. But I'll get in there and fine-tune it, direct some of those switches over. Yeah, he's good. He's been really good. Started with the preliminary styling pin set. And then we'll finish the top there, get him off the build block, photograph him. Good stuff. He's looking really good. Special thanks to Sasgard sitting in makeup trailer. Some of the reference.
Parent makeup trailer.
Excuse me. Excuse me. I can't believe I just said that. Yeah, parent makeup trailer. Yeah. Yeah, that's feeling to me right. To be able to get in and play with. You've got the right curve on him. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, that's it.
I think that's right.
I think that's right. I would rather err on the side of having a little bit more than less, but against that. Nope, hold on. Let me play?
Yep.
Yeah, you don't want him to take any more length. You're perfect.
Like
He's
that.
perfect, yeah, and that goes back. Perfect. All right, he's ready to go. Okay. Oh, hold on. Find the spray. This is one wig that we don't want moving around. As much head bopping as you're gonna do. It's important to keep these volumes up. Okay, nice. Okay, now he's finished. So now we're going to move him over onto tripod. And the wig is completed. He's in his storage pin set. So after every wear, you will put him on your build block. So we've actually transferred your custom pad out from a build block much like this onto your personal storage block. Aaron's gone ahead and retaped that, thank you. And this is so the wig always holds to the shape that it was built on. We're going to take this wig off in a second. We're actually going to do a test on the prosthetic, which is right over here, sent from another client. This is her custom build block with all the hair directional growth pattern plotting, hero hairline work, which is also on this one, which is why we're going to take this off, because you can't see any of the detail. And we want the full effect, so we're going to photograph it on the prosthetic. Thank you very much, client, for supplying that. But there you go, here's a completed wig. So this pin set will be done after every wear. So everything that we just saw us go through, you'll go through. You'll take the wig off, you'll put it back onto its block, you'll secure it with twill tape around the HD film lace. You'll have a picture reference of all of these pins for its storage pin set to help the gravity keep defying. So minimal upkeep on your end, just like you saw us do. And so let's get ready and show you. All right. So this is the completed Clown Who Floats Chapter 2. And we did this test a few weeks ago when this wig was at a much less advanced stage. He's done now. But we wanted to do a test off of the build block because, as we've shown before, the build block has all of the hero hairline and hair directional growth pattern plotting blueprinting underneath, so you're not seeing the physical hairline against all that dark marker. Much the same as the second copy of this wig we're building for another client, so you can see what's underneath. You'll see it when we pulled off the block. So this client sent us their prosthetic. This prosthetic is not for this wig, but it's close enough to do a camera test. So we're gonna do a camera test. Thank you, client, for supplying said camera test. All right, here we go. So we're gonna de-wig him. Now his forehead lace, it's HD film lace. It has not been cut yet, but that doesn't matter. We leave on this one, we'll leave about a 2.5 inch forehead film lace to extend the lifespan of the wig. And it is HD, so it disappears up to 1 foot away to the naked eye. Also, for makeup, it's really great. It actually kind of just bleeds and blends right into the makeup. So here we go. You got enough room to operate? Here we go. Beautiful.
The wig is so structured.
Yeah. So when you pull that lace taut for me, just so we can get a nice little effect. Yeah, there it goes. So there he is. There's the hair on, but here he goes. Wow.
I guess it's back a little further.
Yeah, he goes back a little further. Go ahead and shift him back. Again, this prosthetic was not made for that wig. That looks better. Yeah, there he is. Okay, now he's in the proper position. And it is off-centered. Yeah, he's good. He's looking really good. Let's move him. Let's move that tripod out of the way. Still belt back a little bit so we can get. You want to help me with that? Yeah, take your time. I'm just checking them out. That really sells it. That's crazy. For not having been built for this prosthetic, it still reads pretty much accurately. Beautiful. Okay, so we're gonna get some photos of this. Nice job, Air.
Thanks, baby. Nice job, you.
Okay, in fact, let's just straighten it out a little bit. Okay, I'm gonna just go ahead. Can you just step out real quick so I can get this vid? So we're gonna use this, oops, I need this block moved. All Hero Hair clients have been trained virtually by our team since 2015 in the professional application of their custom pieces anywhere in the world. This exclusive, unlimited training, including refresher sessions, is available free of charge over the lifetime of your custom piece. And you can check out this client's first virtual crowning or application session in an upcoming video on the client portfolio page, coming soon.
It's made with unicorn hair.
Down to the dent.